Hello, welcome to the Realty One Group 401k Plan Summary video. This quick introductory summary video will tell you, among other things, how you can go ahead and open your account, and one of the links below. It will also tell you some of the main options available for the 401k specifically, such as deduction limits, some of the main rules. Once you go through the application process, it will ask you some of key questions, and then it will open a DocuSign experience for you to sign those applications electronically. From there, your account will actually be opened at the provider, which in this case is Money Intelligence. There you will be able to go ahead and make your initial contributions or set up automatic ongoing contributions, as well as change your investments, things of that nature. Arcwood Financial, we are the retirement plan consultants for the One Future platform. So we're here specifically to help with any kind of investment advice you may need. If you need help analyzing which retirement platform is best for you, such as the IRA, 401k, or cash balance, or comparing any of these platforms or investment options to something you may already have or may be looking at. The platform for the One Future 401k, which we call a record keeper, is Money Intelligence. So that will be the website you'll be visiting to go ahead and change your investment elections, things of that nature. Their website is 401k.moneyintel.com. And there again, you can set up your contributions, change your investments, monitor your performance, or process distributions or loans. So with a 401k, we do have much higher contribution limits than you would see in a traditional IRA. So elective deferrals going into 2023 are $22,500. That is for participants 50 or younger. I mean, 49 or younger, I apologize. Participants who are age 50 or older can actually do something called catch-up contributions, and that would allow your contributions, your elective deferrals during the year, to be $30,000. Also of note, the 401k, all the One Future 401k options will have profit sharing built into them, meaning at the end of the year, if you would like to make additional contributions to the plan before your tax filing, you can make additional contributions of up to $43,500. So total contributions that can go into a 401k plan could be anywhere between $66,000 and $73,500. compared to the $6,500 you would find in an IRA. Some of the main provisions you should know about the One Future 401k, investment options are going to be limited to traditional mutual funds, right? Diversified pools of different asset classes, such as domestic stocks, international stocks, fixed incomes, things of that nature. There is not going to be a brokerage option for individual stocks, nor is there an option for any kind of self-directed options, such as self-directed real estate purchases. Another main thing you really need to know about saving for your future with a 401k are distribution rules. 401ks, IRAs, and other qualified retirement plans do say this money is for your future self. So you cannot take distributions until you reach age 59 and a half. Otherwise, the government will impose penalties, a 10% penalty, plus if you haven't paid taxes, you'll have to pay taxes. There are some exceptions to this. Look into those specifically in some of the disclosures below, but generally speaking, this money does need to be for a retiree in terms of getting a distribution. There will be loans available in the 401k, which is again something you cannot find inside IRAs. Loans are limited to 50% of your account balance or $50,000, whichever is lower. Testing. Generally speaking here, everything I've kind of covered has been for a solo, a one-person 401k, or maybe a two-owner or two spouses. If you do have a plan that has multiple employees, I think the best option, instead of doing the application below, would actually be to click the Contact Us link, and we can go through the exact provisions. The One Future 401k is available for employers with small businesses and multiple employees, and you do get the same pricing discounts. There's just a little bit more that needs to go into it. As you know, when you have employees, testing comes into effect, and you need to look at that when designing how much you can contribute to them. The One Future 401k does have one very nice provision, which is a default investment option. For those of you who don't really know how you would want to set your asset allocation, you don't know what type of mutual funds you would want to select. If you don't go in and you don't want to select your own investments, you'll actually be opted into a default investment. In this case, it's a target date fund, which is the main investment option used by 90% of retirement plans in the United States. These work in the fact that they will be pre-diversified pools of multiple different mutual funds that are already diversified across multiple stocks, and they will be more aggressive for younger investors and slowly get more conservative or be more conservative for those who are slightly closer to retirement. So for example, if you're in your 20s or 30s, you could be upwards of 90% stock type mutual funds and only 10% bond mutual funds. Bonds are traditionally a little bit more conservative, a little less volatile, but have lower returns. Well, stocks are a little riskier, have more volatility, but over the long run have historically had higher rates of return. As you get closer to retirement, it will become more balanced for you. So that's a good investment option due to the cost, but if you feel you're more aggressive or more conservative than your age may dictate, you might need to work with us or look into selecting your own asset allocation. Again, thank you for your time. I hope you complete the application below. If you have any questions, the best way to reach us would be to use the web form below or email info@arkwood.com. Thank you very much.